Hey, my previous video about Product Hunt has got 10 million views. So I decided to make another one. Today you will learn how to choose a proper date for your Product Hunt launch. Choosing the right day is crucial. If you choose a wrong day, you risk ruining your whole campaign. Let's go! You can launch your product on any day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. But obviously, launching on different days will bring you different results. So how we are different? Let's find the most active day and the least active day. There are two sources of statistics. The first one was presented by the DET project when to launch that app. That website claimed that the most active days are Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Another research by the Popstars team claims that the most active days are Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Damn man, the stats are so different. What do we choose? My own experience of browsing Product Hunt for years tells that if you want to get the most exposure, you should launch on Tuesday. I myself always launch on Tuesdays. However, you must understand that everybody wants to win, and you will meet a solid competition on Tuesday. Your chances of getting to the first place or getting a medal will be much lower. If you're not sure about your product, you can choose a less busy day. Go for Saturday. You will get way less traffic, but your chances of appearing on the front page of Product Hunt and getting to the top 3 will be significantly boosted. Just make sure you're not launching on Xmas. Everybody will be cuddling in warm plates in front of chimneys, and no one will care about your product. Okie dokie, you chose a day. But what about the time? It's simple. A Product Hunt day starts at midnight San Francisco time. To get your product exposed as much as possible, just post it on midnight. If you launch, for example, at 3 a.m., you will lose 3 hours of the race. So just launch at midnight San Francisco. To sum up, Tuesday is the most active day. Launching on Tuesday will give you much traffic, but the competition will also be high. On the other hand, Saturday will bring you fewer views, but it will be much easier to reach the top 3 and jump into the Product Hunt newsletter and also win the badge. That's it. In the next video, I will prepare a step-by-step guide. You will learn what exactly you need to do in advance to get prepared for a Product Hunt launch and win the first place. Don't miss out. Ciao!